In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Basecamp. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll be comfortably logged into your Basecamp account and inside one of your projects. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or any other modern browser you like to use. In the address bar at the top of the window, type in basecamp.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official Basecamp website, which is where you'll always start when you want to sign in. Once the Basecamp homepage loads, look towards the upper area of the page for the sign-in section or link. On the main site, there's usually a clearly visible option that directs you to sign in to your account. Go ahead and click that sign in option. This will redirect you to the secure login page, which is managed by Basecamp's parent platform. On the login page, you'll see a field where you can enter your email address or username. Click into that field and carefully type the email address associated with your Basecamp account. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, and double-check for any typos, since even a small error can prevent you from logging in. After you've entered your email, look for the button labeled Next and click it. This tells the system to verify your email and then take you to the next step of the sign-in process. Now you'll see a password field. Click into that box and type your password. Take your time here and be mindful of capitalization, numbers, and any special characters, since passwords are case-sensitive. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid using any Remember Me options so your account stays secure. When your email and password are both entered, look for the main sign-in button on the page and click it. The system will process your information, and as long as everything is correct, you'll be logged into Basecamp. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Basecamp home screen where you can see your teams and projects. From here, locate the project called My Project on the screen and click on it. That opens the project workspace where you can see messages, to-dos, schedules, and everything else related to that project. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged into Basecamp and opened your project.